We are joined by pediatrician Dr. Samuel Siegel with more on today's health-centered event. Good morning.
Hi, Dr. Siegel. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Now, you got this great event that's coming up a little bit later on this morning for the community, but your focus was on some of your pediatric patients.
Absolutely right. So the event is going to be today at our Bronze Star Clinic, which is over there by Costco in Woodland. It's right off 5. It's going to be from 10 to 1 p.m. We're going to have a taco truck that's run by one of the mothers of our families.
Okay.
We're going to have music. We're going to have some games. We're going to have probably about 1,500 vegetable plants, tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelons that we're going to give away to the kids. We'll have pots and soil for kids that live in apartments and don't have a backyard but just have a balcony. So that we want everybody to be included.
Okay, what's the purpose of giving them fruits and vegetables?
So I think that children are extremely intelligent, and I think that when you give them a plant that they nurture and grow from a little baby plant all the way until it produces wonderful fruit that's tastes better than any fruit that they've ever had from the grocery store, I think that if a switch is going to flip in their mind, and I think that they're going to realize, first of all, how fun it is to grow a plant, and then they're going to make a connection between their food and the food source, and hopefully take the lead for their own families and get their parents on board.
Definitely, definitely. Is this the first of its kind of events here that you came up with?
I think it's the first, at least within our clinic, that I know of. I mean, there are a lot of great community organizations that are running programs like this, where kids at the local public schools are growing their own plants, and they've had wonderful success. Kids that, wouldn't eat broccoli, all of a sudden are, bringing home broccoli and different vegetables to their parents and telling them how much they love it. So I think it's really a great way to get these kids to eat healthy.
Yeah, doctor, I know the main focus is to encourage the young and the youth to eat more vegetables. For parents out there who may have a struggle trying to get their children to enjoy it, what's your tip or advice on encouraging them to eat their veggies because it's healthy for them?
Totally, yeah. I mean, I think this is one of the ways that we're hoping to do that. I think that, I invite all parents out there with picky eaters, please bring them by. I think that, after investing in a plant for 3 or 4 months and then tasting how good it is straight from the vine, I think they will realize how good vegetables can be. And I also encourage parents, keep trying, don't give up, continue every day, offer fruits, vegetables with as often as you can. If you have kids, that 1 week they like something, 1 week they don't. And so I just say keep trying, because it's just too important not to continue to try to get them to eat healthy.
All right, takes place Dignity Health Woodland Clinic there. This free vegetable plants for kids between 10 and 1. Today it's 2081 Bronze Star Drive in Woodland. Thank you, Dr. Siegel. Take care.
Thank you very much for having me.
You bet.